Where are you taking me?
Hey, I'm taking you out to eat. We're gonna go get some Indian food, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, is that the place we went to and they were closed?
Yeah, but now they're open, I hear. So
You hear. And if they're not, what do I get?
you get to pick where we're going.
I get a nice pizza pie.
Okay.
They're not open.
Well, I've been dying to try this food, so it's something that should be good, I think.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Where is it?
We gotta find it. It's somewhere on the right here.
Oh, it's along that creep. House of Crepes.
Yeah, it's by...
Crepes. Right there?
Is this it?
No. No, right here. No.
That's
Clove. Remember
That's it.
Clove? Oh, we thought that meant closed.
It's not open.
It's closed. I hope it's closed.
Oh my god. Wait.
You can't tell. I'm not going to be the only
It might be
customer.
open. Oh, it says closed on the door.
Does it? Woohoo! Where am I going for to eat?
Your choice. I told you.
Ain't never coming here again. Don't come here again.
I know. I think I'm
Please?
out of luck on this one.
They're telling us don't come here again. I like curry. I like Indian food.
Me
Can
too.
you get something to go somewhere? You eat it at home? Where's that place that's up?
Well, that one up there by...
What do you think of that?
I don't mind going there.
Eating there or bring it home?
Eating there.
What else getting a pizza?
Oh, what a shame. My mouth was watering for curry.
Alright, well, see what we're gonna do.
Wanna try that pizza?
Well, maybe you can look it up online.
Alright.
Remember last time then we went to this pizza chef. But let's look at the phone, look at their website
Okay.
for a minute.
Alright, we'll just park here and look at the website.
Maybe we'll get pizza for dessert.
Run to the parking lot, make sure the hours say that on the door so you don't come back at 5 and...
Well, we looked on the website for other Indian restaurants and there's a few. And 2 of them say opens at 5 and this is one that says opens at 5. I don't understand that, but it's 4:23 right now. So we might go get that DVD of Dumbo, the new movie that came out, and come back at 5.
Let's just make sure the sign on the door says 5.
They don't want us here. Let's see. No. No, but they have 2. There's one here and there's one in New Jersey, and they're both open at 5. Unless they're closed on Tuesdays.
That's the website you were just on?
No. You can have it delivered too by that Grubhub. That's a nice idea. Alright, we'll be back at 5 maybe. Let's go to Best Buy. Look at that new Dumbo movie. Did you see it yet? It's right up the road. You know how to drive? Yeah?
Yes, I know how to drive.
That's a yes. Best Buy. Going in. Dumbo. Danny DeVito. It's gonna be good tonight. You gonna watch it tonight?
Yeah. Let's watch it.
What time is it? 5:05 now. So we're going to the Indian restaurant. And I thought we either gotta wait a while because they're closed, or if we get it quick, it's left over from last night. Unless they started cooking around 4, but how do they know what we want, right? Well, let's see your review. I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay, well, let's go have some good food because I'm sure
hungry.
they're gonna make it fresh.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm sure they're gonna make it
I
fresh.
trust them.
Let's get out of here. There's a car in the parking lot. Woo!
Lights on. Like a
says-
carnival now.
It says
Buffet.
open.
Wait, it says buffet Tuesday.
Oh, good. That's
Imagine
even
that.
better. I'm so happy now. Are you happy now? Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Alright, going in. Now, we don't know if they want us recording, but we're gonna try, right?
Yeah, if we can record, we will.
Going in. After you. Boogaloo. Smells good. Oh, you got buffet today?
No.
No? Didn't say buffet outside?
Tomorrow night.
What's today?
Tuesday.
I thought it said buffet Tuesday.
It says buffet Wednesday night.
I probably just saw the SDAY.
It's okay. We've never been here before, so.
Oh, okay. Would you guys like tap water or sparkling water?
Tap water.
Show the menu
Okay, here's the menu.
while you look at it. Here's my glasses.
Yeah, I need my glasses. And oh my God, there's so many choices. Thank you. Okay, now I can see them. Oh, nice, thanks.
I see strings of onions, batter fried to golden perfection. Well, that's appetizers. Assorted appetizers.
Anything.
Get hats. How do they go this way or that way?
Okay, should we pick an appetizer?
Well then, onion string sounded good, huh?
Where's that? This one here?
First page, second page. Onion bhaja.
Okay.
But you could also get an assortment.
That's what I saw this, but I want to make sure that I don't want to eat any lamb.
Why?
I'm against it.
Oh.
I just want to avoid eating lamb. So I'm not sure what shish kebab has on it.
Yeah, I never liked the flavor of lamb either. Chicken? Well, I like curry. I might just get chicken curry. Chicken curry or vindaloo. I don't know what vindaloo is.
Where's that one? Point to it. Okay.
It's not on the appetizer page.
Oh, okay.
It's in the chicken section.
All right, I have to study this a little bit.
Okay. So I'm going to get this chicken curry or vindaloo. Mildly spiced or hot. I'm going mildly. And you want naan bread?
Yeah, I want to get this.
4 naan breads.
There's an onion paneer kulcha. And it's sumptuous unleavened bread filled with mixture of onions and homemade Indian cheese.
Let's get it going.
But now I'm looking for the stuff that has, this is what I want to take. A whole vegetarian bread.
Alright, check it out, see what you want.
Oh God.
Woo! They brought this out. They said this is fresh, so right now it's not crispy, but if you wait 2 or 3 minutes, it'll be crispy because they just made it. Yeah, okay, so it's not crispy. That's good. It's warm and fresh.
Okay, I decided on paneer makhani. It's fresh homemade cheese marinated with spices, sauteed with chopped tomatoes and onions in a creamy sauce.
Sounds good.
Yes, doesn't it?
Get the guy, yeah.
Tried the green chutney. It's good.
It's crispy now because it's cooling off.
The bread's really good. I tried the orange chutney here.
That's good.
Yeah,
good.
it's good. This is nice and crispy now, watch. I'm gonna try the green. Which one do you like better?
Green.
Well, we'll have some new flavors tonight, right? Okay, we got our appetizer. What's that called, Rick?
Onion strings of some kind. Maybe you remember when you saw it on the menu.
Yeah.
I don't remember the word right now. That's some kind of lemon something, right?
Chutney. Another kind of chutney.
Wow.
It looks so crunchy.
Is that just onions? Seems like it could be chicken or something, but it's so good. Try one.
Okay. Let me try this chutney they brought. It's more sticky. Wow, it's so hot.
Crunchy, huh? We got fresh incense burning back there. This is real good.
This is good. See, it's big, meaty pieces of onion. It's like green onion.
Real good. Let's not get full on these onion strings.
So they call this tamarind chutney.
Yep. And that's just onions. Great. Let's not get full on that. We have some food.
Oh my god, it's so good in there.
You can take some home for a while. Been 30 minutes. Time to eat.
Can't wait to see the next course.
It must be fresh if it's taking that long, huh? Hungry though. We're gonna take them home. They're good. Right?
Yeah, everything is good. Just time to this.
Oh,
Nice.
thank you. I'll keep this one. Here comes the food.
Oh, that looks great.
Oh, chicken curry.
Here.
Paneer makhani.
Yep, that's it. Thank you.
Basmati rice for you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wonderful. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah. Now you get it. Thank you.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, look at this. It smells so good. This is cheese
Got it.
cubes. Well, cheese
Hot, right?
cubes, I'll say.
So first we'll put down some rice.
Yep, and look at
Put that
this.
curry chicken on it.
Oh my God.
Naan bread.
Oh, you just can't believe the smell. It's so good.
That was like curry.
Let's put some rice down on
All right,
it.
let's put some rice down. Go ahead, you do that. Peas, a couple peas in there. What
A
are
couple
they?
peas.
8 peas.
They're for garnish. Garnish.
Yeah, I'll do that while you get yours.
Okay.
Can't waste no time.
Look at how pretty this is garnished.
Yeah.
Cucumber slices and some cilantro maybe on there. Parsley. Wow, the flavors in this. Look at all the delicious flavors.
I got medium. If you had mild, medium, and hot. I got medium.
Yeah, I think you were being brave.
I'm on a heat diet.
And then we're gonna have a piece of this
Oh, yeah.
nice bread. Look at that. It has onions and
Smells real good too.
cheese in it too. Homemade cheese.
Let's taste a piece of this.
Look inside, look. You have to look inside this bread.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Mine's good. Holy cow, that's real good. Here's your recipe.
And it's nice and hot. Oh my goodness. So good, this bread. I dipped it in.
Mine's real good. We turned down the lights here, so it's a little dark. It's all right, right?
Oh my goodness.
Is that a curry flavor? Oh, turn the lights up. All right, let's eat a few minutes. This is delicious.
Looks like you're doing pretty good there with that.
It's good. I like it. Pretty spicy though. Next time I will get mild. This is medium.
Yeah, it's a little bit hot.
How about you? You almost done?
Good flavor though.
You gonna take some home, baby?
Look, looks like I hardly touched it, but I ate a whole big serving of it. So I'm sure we'll be taking some home.
This I could take some home too.
And we still have 2 pieces of bread.
We can get this to take out sometime, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Get a menu and eat it at home.
We're definitely gonna be taking food out from here, and
And it's close. It's less than
Yeah.
a mile away, right?
yeah, that's great.
Chicken curry. We can get this to take out too, couldn't we? Good menu, bring it home.
Definitely.
We're not going to finish this, are we?
I don't think so.
I'm getting pretty full.
Okay, so we couldn't eat it all.
Well, I'm going to finish mine. Put this knot in here.
Okay,
Stuff in these compartments here.
we're gonna start with the rice.
We're going to have leftovers
Yeah, we'll have a nice lunch for
one of
the.
these days. So these onion strings, they were good.
Yes, they were.
All right.
All right, let me put this together. Look how much we got left. Look at all the cheese in there yet.
Okay, are you full?
Oh,
Was it good?
I'm full, yes. Are you full?
Yeah, good.
Happy?
Oh,
Okay.
I'm full.
All right, we got leftovers too.
Oh, see you. See you outside.
Thanks for coming with us today.
Yeah, it was fun, huh? Bye. All right, you had enough, right?
Oh my God, that was so.
Woo, I'm gonna walk home. I'm on a diet.
All right, I got
I'm gonna get exercise. All right. That was Clove. Check it out if you're in the neighborhood, right?
Yeah, that was a good place.
That was good. See ya. Bye, everybody.